Welcome to the third episode in our video series of Dynamics 365 CE or Customer Engagement. In our first episode, we introduced you to the three core applications of sales, customer service, and marketing. Here in episode 3, we will be discussing the customer service application in more detail. Customer service is an application native to Dynamics CE, and its main purpose is the managing of customer interactions in the form of product questions, inquiries, and customer support. Many people often think of customer service as the tool to provide help desk or service ticketing to customers, which is very common and true. But customer service has also been used to track RMA or return authorizations for customers. Really, any process that a company needs to manage and see through to a resolution is a good candidate for using the Dynamics 365 customer service application. The core foundation to customer service is the case entity. Cases can originate from several sources. The most common ways are manually, where a customer service rep is creating a new case record. Another source is email, where an auto case creation rule is set up so when an email is sent to a specific email address, such as helpdesk@companyname.com, a service case is created. The third way is through a customer portal. If you recall in our CE intro episode, Dynamics 365 CE comes with a customer-facing portal that can be deployed. Customer Self-Service Portal is one of those portals where customers can log in and view knowledge base articles and/or submit and interact with service cases. Another growing area for case creation is with bot technology using Microsoft's Power Platform, specifically virtual power agents. Dynamics cases can be created at a certain point in a customer's interaction with a virtual agent or bot. These are the most common methods of case creation, but really, with the XRM capabilities of Dynamics, the methods to create cases is limitless. Now that you know the different ways cases are created, let's discuss the managing of cases to resolution. The case entity stores and tracks the base information about who needs help, what is the problem or issue, and ultimately, how the issue will be resolved. Of course, it can track many more things that a company needs in order to get the question or issue resolved. Like we saw in the sales application, service cases can have their own business process flow to help guide the customer service reps through their case process. Likewise, you can see the history of communications you've had with the customer regarding the case, as well as other recent cases the customer may have had. Service cases have a couple of unique areas of functionality that can be managed in Dynamics CE. First, cases can be manually or automatically assigned to different queues. This is a nice way to route your cases to the specific agents who have certain skill sets. It is also a way to manage a backlog of cases so agents can start working on new tickets as they finish the previous ones. Entitlements can also be managed at the customer level and applied to cases. So if there are contracts for X number of hours or X number of support requests, the Dynamics Customer Service app can manage that. Service level agreements or SLAs is another area that can be managed. Timers can be put on the screen to let your users know how long they have to respond or resolve cases based on the service agreement the customer may have in place. Finally, knowledge base articles are part of the customer service application. There is a manageable process to create and publish these articles for Dynamics and portal use. While working on a case, the system can recommend articles to resolve the case, and these articles can quickly be sent off to the customer in the form of an email. The customer service application is very scalable, ranging from small businesses that maybe only have a couple of customer service agents to large Fortune 500 companies that have hundreds of customer service agents. As a reminder, Dynamics 365 is often integrated to ERP systems, so managing RMA requests with real-time ERP data is something that is frequently done in the customer service application. Almost every business has a need to manage some sort of customer inquiry, support, or service process, and Dynamics 365 CE Customer Service Application is a great tool to help a company manage those processes. In our next video, we will focus on the marketing capabilities of Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement.